Hi there. Can you guess the value of x for these equations? Watch a little bit. I'm sure you can. Let's see for the first one. X plus 1 equal to. Easy. 1 plus 1. X plus 2 equals 5. Easy. 3. 2 times x equal 12. 6. X minus 3 equal 1. This is 4, right? X over 2 equal 4. This is 8. Easy. You see though, that's equations. It's really easy. But you know what, it's not always that you're going to be able to guess the value of x. In fact, what is an equations? It's not equations. The question is there a value of x such as these equality can be verified? So is there a value of x? That means, what is the value of x? That's the question they ask you. So resolving an equations consists of answer equations of an unknown value, which is x. So for this example, you can easily guess the value of x, but you know what, it's not always like that. Sometimes it can be tough. That's why we need a method. So let's see an example. Can you guess the value of x for these equations? Not so easy. You see, not always easy. That's why you need a method to solve to answer the question. You need a method, because you're not gonna able to guess the value always. So you need a method. So let's try to understand the method to resolve some linear equations. Let's see this example. We have x plus 1 equal 2. So we know it's 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. But we need to use a method. So since I need here the value of x, I'm going to try to cancel the 1 so that I can have only x. So to cancel the 1 here, I put minus 1 here. Okay? Since you can see like a balance here, if I put minus 1 here, so I should have minus 1 here also, so that the equation is balanced. Okay, so minus 1 here, I end up with only x here, and 2 minus 1, I have 1. So that's the method. Okay, you can guess it, but you should follow the method, so that will help you when you have bigger number like this one. So you got this one, you will know I need to cancel this value. You see, so I'm gonna put minus 78 here and minus 78 here also. Okay, so that's why you need a method. So when you have some big value, that's gonna help you. So here I just try to get only x, so that I got the value. But you may understand it also like I have x plus 1 equal 2. Since I need to have the value of x, I just have to reduce the other value by 1. So let's see this one. X minus 3 equal 4. X minus 3 equal 1. So we know the value is 4. We can guess it. But the method gonna help us. The method is good, that may help us when we have big number, when we have this situation that is different. So here I'm going to try to cancel the minus 3. How to do it? To cancel the minus 3, I have to put plus 3 here. Put plus 3 here, and I put plus 3 here, so that the equation is balanced. So remember, whatever the operations you do at the left, you should do the same operation at the right. If not, it's going to be unbalanced. Okay, so here I cancel the 3 here, so I end up with x and 1 plus 3 here, that gives me 4. That gives me 4, and that's it. What about this one? 2 times x equal 12. We know it's 6. Okay, we can guess it, but we need a method. So how to cancel? Remember, normally 2 times x can be written like this, 2x. Most of the time it is written like this, 2x equal 12. We don't need really to put the multiplication sign. 2x equal 12. So what we know it's 2 times x equal 2. We know it's 6, since 2 times 6 equal 12. But what is the method to find it? So we need to cancel the 2. To cancel the 2, we have to divide. This is different. We're gonna divide both sides by 2. So the same idea of balance. If I divide the left side by 2, I have to divide the right side by 2. So here I got 1x, which is x, and then 12 divided by 2, this gives me 6. There it is. We use this method. What about this one? We know this one is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. But what is the method? We need to cancel the 2. How to cancel the 2? To cancel it, since we have a fraction here, it's like I got 4/1. I will use the, remember, least common denominator. The least common denominator, right? We're gonna use the least common denominator. We're gonna multiply both terms by the least common denominator. The least common denominator between 2 and 1 is 2. So I'm gonna multiply this side by 2, since the least common denominator in this term is 2. So the least common denominator in this case is 2. Okay, so I have to multiply both sides by 2. So I'm gonna have 2 by 4/1. I don't really need the 1, it's just to show the example. So now I have to cancel the 1. I end up with x. 2 times 4, this gives me 8. So here is the method for the addition, subtractions, multiplication, and divisions. Okay. Now we're gonna try to do other example, but this example are gonna be more difficult than the one we are doing now. Okay, they are gonna be more difficult than the one we are doing now.